Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get dragon scales in Blox Fruits. These highly sought-after materials are crucial for unlocking powerful upgrades and fighting styles. While they can be challenging to acquire, with the right strategy, you can efficiently farm them. We'll cover exactly where to go and which enemies to target for the best results. Let's dive into the details of securing these valuable scales for your adventures. Your main targets for dragon scales are the Dragon Crew warriors and Dragon Crew archers. These formidable foes reside on Hydra Island. The warriors are level 1575 and the archers are level 1600. Be prepared for a grind, as the drop rate for these scales is quite low, typically around 1 to 2%. Patience and persistence are key when facing these challenging enemies. To begin your hunt, navigate to Hydra Island, located in the expansive Third Sea. You'll find the Dragon Crew enemies scattered around key areas. Specifically, search near the friendly arena and the Hydra leader's palace. The Dragon Crew archers tend to spawn in closer groups, which can make them more efficient targets for area of effect attacks. Knowing these hotspots will significantly speed up your farming process. To maximize your dragon scale gains, consider a few strategies. The Blox Fruit is highly recommended for its extended attack range, allowing you to hit multiple enemies simultaneously. Teaming up with other players can also drastically increase your farming speed. Additionally, equip any accessories that enhance your damage or provide useful buffs. For extended sessions, an auto-clicker can be a helpful tool for continuous farming.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.